In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp templates to 10x your productivity. If you're ready to streamline your workflow and save valuable time, then let's dive right in. First, we need to open ClickUp. You might already be familiar with ClickUp as a versatile project management tool, so log into your account. If you're new to this platform, no worries. Just head over to ClickUp's website and get started by signing in or creating a new account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, we'll be ready to explore how ClickUp can significantly enhance your productivity. Next, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Yes, look for the section labeled Spaces. This is where the magic happens. Click on Spaces to expand your options. You will notice a plus sign beside the Spaces section. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. This action isn't going to make any immediate changes, but sets us up for the next crucial steps. Moving on, you'll see an option called Use Templates. Click on this to proceed further. Now, why templates, you might ask? Templates in ClickUp help you streamline setting up new spaces by using predefined setups, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. It's essentially like having a blueprint ready for any type of project that comes your way. What you'll see next is a search bar. And here is where you type in the name of the template you're looking for. Let's say you want a template that boosts productivity. Type productivity into the search field. This quick search feature is pretty handy because there are tons of templates to choose from, and it brings up what you're looking for without having to scroll endlessly. Now that you've entered a specific template name, you'll see some template options on the screen. Spot the one that fits your needs from the list that appears and click on it. This is key, because choosing the right template can lay the groundwork for how you want to build out your workflows. Alright, at this point, a new window will pop up with all the details of your chosen template. Here, you'll have the option to use this template. Click Use Template to apply it. Keep in mind that using a template is like laying down tracks for a train. You're setting a clear path for how your project will unfold. Repeat this one last time, as sometimes ClickUp might ask for a final confirmation by showing another Use Template button. Once you click it this second time, the process is complete. Your template is now active and ready for you to modify and tailor to your specific needs. And that's it. You've successfully set up a template to supercharge your productivity in ClickUp. Remember, utilizing templates effectively can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus more on what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and start exploring the efficiency you can unlock with ClickUp templates today.